set off at 6 AM this morning and heading off down the east coast of Bougainville here. We've been going about 1 hour now and the Solomon Islands have just come into sight. So here in front we've got Bougainville Islands on the right and the Solomons on the left. And over on the far left there I can see Taru Islands, as part of the Solomons. So it's 8 o'clock now, we've been going 2 hours, just left the coastline now in Bougainville, and we're heading across the choppier waters to the Solomon Islands. So we can see a huge number of islands around us, yeah, dotted on the horizon here. Yeah. Long legs. Yeah. Okay, so we're now officially in the Solomon Islands. We're just going to stop off on this small uninhabited island, stretch the legs, drink a coolau, and then head onwards to the Shortland Islands. On Balalae Island, one of the Solomon's Islands, and we're at the airport. I'm actually on the runway at the moment. So the Japanese took over this island as part of World War II and set up this airfield that runs from one end of the island straight through the middle to the other end.
No flight today, I think.
Set just back off the beach in the bush, we found 6 Japanese World War II planes. I'm told that there's many more planes, jeeps and machinery hidden away deep into the bush on this island.
Little coconut crabs are always one of my favorites. They're crazy. So many of them.
Hey. Nice. Neela Island. In 1899, the Catholic Church established a mission on this very island, and they built the church,
and also a hospital that still runs today, and many of the islands surrounding Nila all visit here by canoe or by boat. And this is our accommodation for the next couple of nights. St. Rose of Lima guest house. It's $200 Solomon per person per night, and the funds go towards the school on the island.